Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to mark a checkbox in Selenium. Checkboxes are commonly used on website and automating the process of selecting or unselecting them is a key part of web testing with Selenium. In previous tutorial, I will explain about the navigations of forward, back and refresh the page. In this tutorial, I will explain how to mark the checkbox in a Selenium. So let's begin. In this form, here you can view the multiple checkboxes are available. There are three checkboxes: sports, reading, and music. So let's begin. Create a new file. Right click on this Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, handle underscore checkbox, and then click on Python file. First, we need to import the WebDriver here from Selenium import WebDriver. Next, we need to import the by because we will locate the element by ID or name. Import here from Selenium dot webdriver dot common dot by import by. Next, initialize the WebDriver. Here driver is equal to WebDriver dot. Here you can view the different browsers name here: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and click on this Chrome. Now open the web page containing the checkbox. For marking this checkbox, first we need to navigate to this URL, copy this URL, and here URL is equal to, then paste URL here. Next, for navigating to the URL, we need to use this driver.get and URL. This is for navigating to the URL. Now, locate the checkbox using its ID or name or class. Right click on this checkbox sports, and here you can view the different locators are available, ID and name. Either you can locate this element of sports by using ID or name. ID is unique, so in this scenario, I will use this ID, copy this ID, and then locate this element by using ID. Checkbox is equal to driver dot find element by. Here you can view, I import the by because we will use here by dot multiple locators. These are the multiple locators. So CSS selector, ID link text, XPath name, class name, partial link text. These are the locators in a Selenium. For locating this element, you need to use this locator by dot ID. Click on this ID and then enter the values of this ID. ID is hobbies. Here you can view the ID is hobbies. If you use here locator name, here name, then you need to use this DOV. This are the value for name. Next, we need to check if the checkbox is selected. First of all, we need to check whether this checkbox is not selected. Use some condition here. If not checkbox dot is selected, and then click the checkbox to select if it is not already selected. Here I use the if condition to check whether this checkbox is selected or not. After this if condition, click on this checkbox dot click. This click method is used to click on this checkbox. If you want to click on any field, then you need to use this dot click method. Let's run this script. Right click, handle checkbox, and then click on run handle checkbox. First, it will navigate to this UI. Here we need to import some weight here for better understanding. First, import the time here. Import time here. Import time, and after open this URL, we need to wait time dot select dot 3 second, and then locate to this element by ID. After locating this element, and then click on checkbox. Here some wait time dot select 5 second. Let's run this script again. Run handle checkbox, navigate to this URL, and then click on this spot checkbox after the 3 second. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to STO World for more Selenium tutorials. See you in the next video.